What's up, Corey? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating American Roofing and Construction. If you type in roofing company Mobile, Alabama, they show up on the front page here. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. You're probably asking why I'm even making this video. I just found out a lot of roofing contractors are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I give away these attack plans for free. Most people take this information and do it themselves. Some say, I like you, Devin. I just can't do this. I don't have the time to do this myself. Can you do it for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. But I wanted to say great job on the website. It's super clean. I love this. It looks like a custom map you've got here with these nice little red icons. High quality images, look like they've been taken from a drone, strong fonts. It's just a really clean looking website. I love the color scheme too with the red, white, and blue. Now what most people, excuse me, sorry, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all this content that you can read and highlight. The average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content. If I copy all of your content, I paste in this word counter, you can see you're at 631 words. While American Roofing, these guys have 1,012. So that's one of the reasons they're beating you. But by getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only are you going to look like an authority to Google, you're going to blow them out of the water, and you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords, which are just phrases that people type into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I found a couple for you here, like Roofers Mobile AL, for example. 600 people search that into Google every month. So you want to make sure you have that in your content. You can see when I search your page, you don't have that anywhere. Or Roofing Mobile AL, same thing, nothing anywhere, and that's got 400 people who search that every month. Roofing Company Mobile AL, nothing, you don't have it on there. That's another 300 people. So if you're number 1 for those 3 keywords, you'd be number 1 in front of 1,300 people every single month who wanted to purchase roofing. Imagine how big of a change that would make in your business. So just make sure that you have these keywords inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of BFRR blue logo, you can save it as Roofing Company Mobile AL, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. And you can do that for all these different images with all different keywords. So that's my first tip for you, Corey. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website on the internet is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool you check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to pay for it though. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 8 websites linking to you, while American Roofing has 44 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I'd copy them, because if these 44 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each website back to my own the same way they did. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like expertise, you hit get listed. Yellow pages, you hit sign up. Super pages, you hit join. Create a free profile. Put a link in your profile back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's easy to do. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in backlinks and in content, that's how you take their spot organically. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you got to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information like GAF, BBB, Yelp, Yellow Pages. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories mobile roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If mobile roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that's all I've got for you, Corey. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point. As a quick recap, you're going to want 1,500 words of content on this homepage. You're going to want keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause this video and put these in there, and just skip the ones that have to do with like supplies, because obviously your customers are not looking for supplies. Then take the the websites that are linking to American Roofing and get them linking back to yourself, and put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than mobile roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. Your competitors are already doing this. The less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier. I hope this video was helpful for you, Corey, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you later.